Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I just wanted to drop in real quick and let you know that tomorrow at 5 o'clock I will be going live to draw 2 more names for my 500 subscriber giveaway. I did not hear from 2 of the people that we drew their names last Friday, so we will be drawing again. The little resin dish is already been claimed, and so we have the vase and the Dutch pour painting. So again, I'll be going live tomorrow at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, and we will draw 2 more names and try to send these pieces to new homes as a thank you for my reaching 500 subscribers. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.